Bridge right there. There's two of them. There's one right there. Oh, I'm dropping right in there because it's going to be fun. And I got the camera on. I'll show ya. Colin starts laughing. You'll see how Terex thing still. Kawasaki stuff. I was gonna say, I thought about it. I just said if it broke, you might. What? Oh, you can see. I know he's talking about the bridge.
There's 2 feet of fucking ice there, Amber.
Yeah, you ain't coming back. Easy.
2 feet of ice.
Anybody?
Oh, Amber. Whatever you want.
Amber,
Amber, watch yourself.